Mitch, a lot of great big bunk. Pop out Clem, what's the biggest movie that's ever made? What's that? A great big lot of bunk. Pop out Clem, what's another great movie that was made? I don't know, Pop out Mitch. A lot of great Titan bunk. Pop out Clem, what's another great movie that was made? I don't know, Pop out Mitch. Rock bong. Pop out Clem, you know what to do. What's that, Pop out Mitch? A lot of great big bong. Pop out Clem, I know what to do today. What's that, Pop out Mitch? A lot of great big bong. Pop out Clem, I know that things are going to be great today because I know what to do. What's that, Pop out Mitch? Go to the United States of Bong. Pop out Clem, let's see what we can watch on TV today. What's on TV today? The Bionic Bong. I know what else we can watch on TV today. What's that, Pop out Mitch? America's Got Bong. What's my favorite cartoon in the whole world, Pop out Clem? What's that, Pop Mitch? The Addams Bong. Why do you have to keep bonking me? 'Cause I like to. You know what's great fun today? What? A lot of great big bong. Pop out Clem, there's a spider in your bed. Bong.